Good afternoon. It's Alexa canceled Kathleen's homeschooling of great life lessons for her 17-year-old daughter, Megan. And today we have Uncle Gary from Northern Ireland on the phone. Say hi to everybody, Gary.
Hey, everyone.
Yes. Now, Gary has given us his Cosmopolitan recipe. He's 3 drinks in, so I may have to do some subtitles so you can understand what he's saying. But welcome, Gary. Come on, Megan. Megan, get on screen. Wait, there's Megan. Can you see her?
Hey, Megan.
Hey. Okay, get out of my shot. You're my shot. Need my workspace. Okay.
Well, go for it, Samantha.
So much sauce. Okay, what's the drink of the day today, Megan? She doesn't know what she's making. She's making a Cosmopolitan. For all of you that are harboring your things, Gary, she doesn't know what drink she's making.
I forgot the name.
Darling, it's a Cosmopolitan.
Okay, pollen. Yeah. We're making a Cosmopolitan.
Politan, not Cosmopolitan.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm not an alcoholic. I don't know.
Okay. So.
Don't worry, Uncle Gary's an alcoholic enough for you.
Yeah, exactly.
It runs in the family. Okay. First, we get this vodka.
How much vodka?
2 ounces of vodka.
Right, and you need a shaker. This one's personalized with my family name. W for Wilson. So 2 ounces of vodka. Oh, that's not even an ounce. You're being cheap. Give it another splash. Gary, is that an ounce? Show it to him.
Do not shortchange on the vodka.
It will make the drink crap. Right to the line, Megan.
Last time I checked, I'm the expert mixologist here.
No, we're training you. This is your homeschooling.
No. You're training, darling. You're training.
Whoa. Okay, so Megan's modified the recipe today. This is 2.5 ounces of vodka.
Yeah.
Oh, well.
Oh, well.
And then sometimes with people like to put triple sec in their Cosmopolitans. I like a little in that. So my orange liqueur per choice is Grand Marnier.
Grand Marnier, 1 ounce. We seem to have a trend of big bottles of alcohol in this household.
They're value packs, Megan. They're value packs.
Well, you shop for alcohol, Costco.
Yeah. How much are you putting in?
1 ounce, slowly, so we don't waste it.
Yep. If you don't have Grand Marnier, the other one, the original is Cointreau.
Yeah, Cointreau, or people sometimes call it triple sec too.
If you're not as fancy as us and you don't have Grand Marnier.
Triple sec is the ghetto version.
Okay.
Triple sex.
No. Shh. No. This.
In the city.
Okay.
Sorry. We don't know who that is.
What's
Stage
that?
manager. This is, if you gave me, this is cranberry juice. And we're going to do 2 ounces.
Gary, did you say 3 ounces is better?
She said 2.
The actual original recipe has 1 ounce.
Oh, okay.
But I prefer 2 ounces. It just smooths it out a little bit.
See, I'm a listener.
Yeah.
Next, lime juice.
Freshly squeezed.
Freshly squeezed. We're going to do 1 ounce of that. Ooh, it's spilling. Okay. That's nice. I'm going to do that. Okay.
That lid's not on tight.
What do you mean that lid's not on tight? I hadn't even put the lid on yet. Okay. What do you mean it's not tight? Okay, please don't spill.
Full of ice.
Shake it.
Yeah, over ice. It has to be done over ice.
Over ice, yes.
Yeah.
But make sure there's ice
in the shaker.
We're going to mix it up real well. Okay, and then, give me a rag. Thank you. Thank you to my assistant, my lovely assistant.
Your mom.
Okay, we're going to take off the top and we're going to strain it into the glass.
Into a martini glass. I see you made some garnish up too.
I didn't make that. Wait, what did Gary say to do?
Light it on fire.
Light it on fire? I get to play with fire.
Yeah. There. So she's warming up an orange peel to bring out the essence of orange.
What the hell?
I can smell it. It smells good. Okay.
Okay. What do you do?
Just put it in the glass. That's beautiful.
And here we go.
Here we go. Cheers. Cheers to Gary.
Here's the lockdown.
Yep. I love my day 14 of quarantine. This is exceptional. Cheers, Gary. Love you.
Keep safe. Wash your hands.
Everybody wash your hands. Stay safe. Enjoy your Cosmo. Thank you, Megan. This was an amazing Cosmopolitan. You did a great job. It's tasty.
Bianca, hello.